Hello, welcome back to my channel. Uh, Today's question looks like so simple, but it's very tricky. So don't answer too quickly. So first of all, you have to grab your pen and pause the video and think over it. Before to solve this question, what do you think the result of this expression? So once pause your video and write your answer in the comment below. 2 plus 2 is 4. So 8 divided by 2 times 2 plus 2 is 4. So 8 divided by 2 times 4 is 8, which is equals to 1. So that answer is wrong because you ignored the order of operations. Uh, the order of operations, you know that of this golden rule of maths, order of operation, PEMDAS, PEMDAS, PEMDAS. P stands for the parenthesis or the expression inside the bracket is the exponent. M is a multiplication. D is a division. A is addition, and S is subtraction. So in the order of operations, first you have to calculate if you have the expression inside the bracket, the parentheses, and then exponent, and then multiplication and division. And multiplication and division have the same priority, and addition and subtraction also have the same priority. So you have to work it from left to right. Yeah, from left to right. So based on this golden rule, we can solve this expression, this question, or we can solve this question. So let's solve. Here we have a division, and here we have a parenthesis or the expression inside the bracket. So before the division, you have to solve the expression inside the bracket or the parenthesis, so that 8 divided by 2. So 2 plus 2 is 2 plus 2 is 4, and then we can write 8 divided by this can be written as 2 times 4. So here we have only two maths operation, division and multiplication. Division and multiplication have the same priority, but we can solve it from left to right. So the left hand side, we have the division, and then we have a multiplication. So before multiplication, we have to solve it, uh, the division. So that's 8 divided by 2 is uh, 8 divided by 2 is 4. So we have times 4. So this gives us 16. So this is the correct answer. So the correct answer is 16. So if you got it right, give yourself a big thumb, and you are learning to think like a mathematicians. You are a wonderful maths student if you get this result. So remember, mathematics is not about being fast. It is about thinking correctly. Every expert was once a beginner who kept practicing. If you learned something new today, let's like my video and follow my channel. See you in the next lesson. So until then, keep practicing and keep believing in yourself. Thank you.